there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute crown. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker pen to draw the cute crown. Now I'm using my ruler to draw two lines. Let's draw two circles here. Two more tiny circles. I'm marking this area to draw straight lines. This is the basic shape of a cute crown. Now I'm using my pencil to draw its eyes. It's looking perfect. Now I'm using my black pen. Here's its smiley face. I'm using a thin black pen to draw its eyes. I'm filling inside its eyes with the thin black pen. Now let's clean all the extra pencil marks. For the coloring, I'm using my yellow pencil. Now let's do it faster. Now I'm using an orange pencil. Wow! Now I'm using a purple pencil. This time I'm using a little bit of pink. I'm blending the color with the yellow pencil. I'm using orange again. And my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.